If you're over 50, your prostate health deserves special attention because it directly affects how well you sleep, how often you visit the bathroom, and even your overall vitality as a man. The good news: certain everyday foods can quietly become your allies in this journey. As a urologist, I've seen firsthand how small, consistent choices can lead to major improvements. And today, I want to share 5 powerful foods that could make a real difference in your health. Starting now. When it comes to supporting prostate health after the age of 50, one of the most powerful foods you can add to your plate is the humble tomato. Tomatoes are rich in a natural compound called lycopene, a bright red antioxidant that has shown strong promise in promoting prostate health and reducing the risk of prostate-related issues. Lycopene works by helping the body fight off oxidative stress. This is a process where harmful molecules called free radicals damage your cells over time, including the cells in your prostate. Over the years, this kind of damage can quietly build up and increase your risk of inflammation, enlargement, or even prostate cancer. Lycopene acts like a shield, neutralizing these harmful molecules before they cause lasting harm. What's interesting is that lycopene becomes even more powerful when tomatoes are cooked. So while raw tomatoes are healthy, eating tomato sauce, tomato paste, or even a warm bowl of tomato soup can actually deliver more lycopene to your body. For example, a small serving of marinara sauce with your meal can be a delicious and prostate-supportive choice. And it's not just tomatoes. Lycopene is also found in foods like watermelon, pink grapefruit, and red bell peppers, though in smaller amounts. But tomatoes remain the richest and most practical source for daily use. Studies suggest that men who consume more lycopene-rich foods tend to have lower PSA levels, prostate-specific antigen, a marker of prostate activity, and may face a reduced risk of developing prostate cancer over time. While no food can guarantee protection, adding lycopene-rich tomatoes regularly to your diet is a smart, natural step in the right direction. If you're not a fan of raw tomatoes, don't worry. You can get the benefits in many ways, like blending tomatoes into soups, adding them to stews, or even drizzling tomato paste over roasted vegetables. Just remember to go easy on the salt and oil if you're watching your heart health as well. And one small tip: pairing tomatoes with a little healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, can help your body absorb lycopene better. So a simple salad with tomatoes and olive oil isn't just tasty, it's also a powerful health combo. In short, tomatoes are more than just a colorful addition to your plate. They're a natural ally for your prostate, especially after 50. By making them a regular part of your meals, you're giving your body one more tool to stay strong, balanced, and well protected in the years ahead. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to inflammation and toxins, which can quietly affect organs like the prostate. One group of vegetables that can help protect and support your prostate health, especially after 50, is cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and kale. What makes these vegetables so special is that they are rich in natural plant compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbonyl. These may sound like complicated names, but they do something simple and important. They help your body detox harmful substances and reduce inflammation, both of which are linked to prostate issues. Think of sulforaphane as a cleanup crew for your cells. It helps your body break down and remove harmful compounds, including those that may increase the risk of prostate enlargement or even prostate cancer. Studies have shown that men who eat more cruciferous vegetables tend to have better prostate outcomes, including lower PSA levels and reduced risk of aggressive prostate disease. Another benefit of these vegetables is their support for hormonal balance. As men age, hormones like estrogen and testosterone can become imbalanced. Compounds in cruciferous vegetables help the body process and balance these hormones in a healthy way, which can protect the prostate over time. One of the best things about these vegetables is how easy and versatile they are. For example, you can steam a few broccoli florets, stir-fry some cabbage with garlic, or roast Brussels sprouts with a touch of olive oil. Just a few servings a week can go a long way in supporting your prostate and overall health. And here's a helpful tip: the less overcooked they are, the more nutrients they retain. Light steaming or quick sautéing helps preserve the powerful compounds inside. If raw vegetables are easier for your digestion, you can also enjoy shredded cabbage or kale in a salad. For men over 50, it's especially important to choose foods that work with your body, not against it. Cruciferous vegetables are natural, low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins like C, K, and folate, all of which contribute to a healthier immune system and better digestion. Remember, there's no magic food, but by consistently adding these vegetables to your meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay resilient. It's a small, achievable step with long-lasting benefits. In short, cruciferous vegetables are a simple, natural way to support your prostate health. They help reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and assist your body in detoxifying, making them a smart choice for any man over 50 who wants to protect his long-term well-being. When we talk about protecting the prostate after age 50, one of the biggest concerns is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to stress or injury, but when it becomes long-term, it can quietly damage tissues, including the prostate. That's where fatty fish come in. Fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that have been proven to fight inflammation throughout the body. Omega-3s help calm the immune system and protect cells from damage caused by stress, poor diet, or aging. This is important because prostate inflammation, also known as prostatitis, is common in older men and can lead to discomfort, frequent urination, and even higher PSA levels. Regularly eating fatty fish can reduce this silent inflammation and help keep your prostate functioning better for longer. Studies have shown that men who include more omega-3s in their diets may have lower risks of prostate cancer and slower growth of prostate tumors if cancer does develop. While research is still ongoing, the anti-inflammatory benefits of omega-3s are well supported and extend to heart, brain, and joint health too, making them especially helpful for older adults. The good news is that you don't need to eat large amounts to get the benefits. 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week is enough for most people. For example, a grilled salmon fillet with some veggies or a tuna sandwich made with whole grain bread can be simple, delicious ways to add these nutrients to your meals. If you don't enjoy fish or have dietary restrictions, you can still get omega-3s through high-quality fish oil supplements. However, it's always best to get nutrients from whole foods when possible, because the body tends to absorb them more efficiently. Also, don't confuse fatty fish with fried or heavily processed fish. Fried fish can cancel out the benefits due to unhealthy oils and added calories. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed fish with minimal added salt or sauces. A drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon can bring out the flavor without adding anything harmful. In summary, fatty fish rich in omega-3s are one of the best foods you can include in your diet for prostate support after 50. They help reduce inflammation, support overall health, and may lower your risk of serious prostate issues. By making this small change, just a few fish meals a week, you're giving your body the nourishment it needs to age more comfortably and confidently.
Give of your preconceived allergy after 50, hormonal changes naturally begin to affect men's health, especially the prostate.
One important mineral that helps maintain proper hormonal balance and supports prostate function is zinc. And some of the best sources of zinc come from simple, everyday foods, nuts and seeds. Zinc plays several key roles in the body. For men, it helps regulate testosterone levels, supports immune function, and protects prostate tissue from inflammation and cellular damage. In fact, the prostate gland stores more zinc than almost any other organ in the male body. This shows how important it is to keep your zinc levels healthy, especially as you age. Over time, low zinc levels may contribute to an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia (NET BPH). This can lead to bothersome symptoms like frequent urination, weak flow, or the feeling that your bladder isn't completely empty. While zinc isn't a cure, getting enough of it can help support your prostate's normal function and reduce discomfort over time. Some of the best zinc-rich nuts and seeds including pumpkin seeds, often called a prostate superfood, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, cashews, almonds, walnuts. These foods are not only rich in zinc, but they also contain healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which are helpful for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Another common concern for older adults, adding a handful of mixed nuts or seeds to your daily routine is easy. You can sprinkle pumpkin seeds over your salad, enjoy a small bowl of trail mix as a snack, or add ground nuts to oatmeal or yogurt. Choose unsalted, raw, or lightly roasted varieties to keep sodium and unhealthy oils low. It's also worth noting that high levels of calcium or poor digestion can sometimes affect how well zinc is absorbed. So, balancing your meals and choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods helps ensure your body gets the full benefit. If you're not getting enough zinc from food, you might consider a zinc supplement, but it's best to talk to your doctor first. Taking too much zinc over time can interfere with the absorption of other minerals, like copper. In summary, nuts and seeds are small but mighty allies in supporting prostate health after 50. They deliver zinc, essential for hormonal balance, and offer other nutrients that protect your body from inflammation and aging. They're convenient, affordable, and easy to enjoy as part of a balanced, prostate-friendly diet. Green tea is more than just a soothing drink. It's a natural powerhouse that supports prostate health, especially as men move past the age of 50. What makes green tea special is its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins. These compounds have been shown to protect prostate cells from damage, slow the progression of age-related changes, and reduce inflammation. One of the most researched catechins in green tea is called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. This antioxidant has powerful effects it can help reduce cellular stress, fight off harmful free radicals, and even slow the growth of abnormal cells in the prostate. Some studies suggest that regular green tea consumption may lower the risk of prostate cancer, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. In addition to antioxidant protection, green tea also supports the body's detox process. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at clearing out waste and toxins, which can quietly impact organs like the prostate. Green tea helps by supporting liver function and gently flushing out harmful compounds. Another benefit, green tea can aid in reducing inflammation, a key factor of benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH) and prostatitis, two common prostate concerns in older men. If you've experienced urinary symptoms like increased frequency, weak stream, or nighttime trips to the bathroom, managing inflammation is a smart step toward relief. Drinking green tea regularly may offer subtle, long-term support. Now let's talk about how to enjoy it. Most people find that 1 to 3 cups a day is both safe and beneficial. You can drink it hot or cold, with a bit of lemon or honey for flavor. If caffeine is a concern, especially in the evening, decaffeinated green tea still contains valuable antioxidants, just in slightly lower amounts. It's important to choose high-quality green tea, preferably organic, to avoid pesticides or additives. Avoid sugary bottled versions, which often have more sugar than tea. Simple, brewed green tea is the healthiest choice. If you're not a tea drinker, green tea extract supplements are available, but be cautious. Always speak with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you take medications or have liver conditions. In summary, green tea is a gentle but powerful drink that can help protect your prostate as you age. Its antioxidant properties support cellular health, reduce inflammation, and promote detoxification, all of which contribute to better prostate function and long-term wellness. Making green tea a regular part of your day is an easy, comforting habit that supports not just your prostate, but your overall health, 1 cup at a time. Over time, the cells in your prostate can be harmed by free radicals, unstable molecules that your body produces in response to stress, pollution, poor diet, or even normal aging. Left unchecked, this damage can lead to inflammation, prostate enlargement, or even cancer. That's where berries come in. Their antioxidants act like natural bodyguards, protecting your cells and helping your prostate stay healthy and functional. Berries also contain anti-inflammatory properties, which are important for men dealing with prostate enlargement (BPH) or chronic prostatitis. These conditions often cause uncomfortable symptoms, like frequent urination, a weak stream, or discomfort in the pelvic area. While berries won't cure these conditions, adding them regularly to your diet can support the body's healing process and reduce the inflammation that contributes to these issues. Another key benefit of berries is that they help with circulation and blood vessel health. This is important because good blood flow supports not just your prostate, but also your overall urinary and sexual function, which are often areas of concern for men as they age. The best part: berries are easy to add to your daily routine. You can enjoy a handful of fresh or frozen berries with breakfast, mix them into oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. If you're watching your blood sugar, Stick to moderate portions as berries are naturally sweet, but much healthier than processed desserts. You can also choose unsweetened cranberry juice, which has been studied for its benefits on urinary tract and prostate health. Just make sure to avoid juices with added sugar or artificial flavors. When shopping, try to choose organic berries when possible to avoid pesticides. If fresh berries aren't in season, frozen berries are just as nutritious and often more affordable. In short, berries are one of nature's simplest and most effective tools for supporting prostate health. They fight inflammation, protect cells from damage, and help the body maintain balance, all without needing any preparation beyond rinsing and enjoying. For men over 50 looking to protect their health naturally, berries offer a sweet, satisfying, and scientifically backed way to care for your prostate, one bite at a time. Your health is your foundation, and it's never too late to take charge. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe, because every week I bring you expert, honest, and senior-friendly advice to help you live healthier and happier. Your prostate will thank you, and so will your future self.